dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have seen how to initialize a structure and how to print those values. Well, in today's video, we will see a complete structure program and we will see how to accept the values to the structure members through the console and how to print those values. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. So here we have the complete program of structure. So here when we say the structure definition is defined before the main, this structure definition will be treated as global definition. And the variables that what we create for the structure can be used globally, that is in the main function as well as in any sub-function. So it will be treated as global declaration. And these values that what we give to the members will be accepted globally. So this register number, name, fees, all these are members. We have to call them as members. They are not variables. So they are the members of the structure student. So student is the new data type that what we have created. The name of the data type is student and we are defining that this variable that what we create with the help of this student data type can hold the values for all these members. So when I say the structure so-called the user-defined data type, the user-defined data type will be student. Using that data type, I create variables. That is what structure declaration. This is structure definition and this is structure declaration. So as soon as the compiler encounters this structure variable declaration, so what it is going to do? It is going to allocate the memory for that. So here, let me write the memory representation for this. So I have created the structure variable, say S1. So I am going to get the memory for its members, that is register number, name and fees. So I am going to get the memory for register number, then it is array that can store 20 characters, then finally it is fees. So register number is of integer type, so 2 bytes of memory. I am talking with respect to 16-bit machine. Then 20 character type, 1 byte, so 20 bytes. We have fees, which is 4 bytes. So totally what is the storage capacity of this? It is 20 plus 2 plus 4, totally 26 bytes of memory will be allocated for this. In the previous program, we had initialized the value. So constant values. Now we are not initializing it. We are trying to take through console. So what we do? We put a message, enter the student name, student register number, student name and fees. You can also have individual printf and individual scanf. I am just writing in one single statement. Enter the register number, name and then fees. So it is %d, %s and %f. Ampersand of, how do we access the structure members? Variable name dot member name. So it is s1 dot register number. So the value that what I am going to take. So in the output screen I will be getting that message. Enter the student register number, enter student register number, name and fees. So as soon as that message appears, the user has to start entering the input in the same order like register number, name and fees. So because here I have given the format specifiers in that order itself, the first one should be integer, that value. So for example, I'll type 101. You can just have a new line here, colon, new line, the cursor comes to next line or you have to press enter key. Then I say first integer, say 101. So I have to store this in the address of s1 dot register number. Say for example, the memory bytes are like this. It has been started from 100. So it is going to store this value in the address of s1 dot register number. So 100 and 101, 2 bytes. So here this value will be stored in the address of S1 dot register number. Then I'll give a space, I'll type the name, say yes, that will be considered as string, so percentage yes, store in the address of S1 dot name I should mention, but you need not mention ampersand for string. You can simply say S1 dot name. It will take automatically. So because the array name will give you the base address, we have studied that in the previous sessions and all. The array name will give you the base address. Base address means address of the first element. So S1 dot name. So it is 100, 101 and from 102 I start. So here I say store this value. So I am going to store this value yes into this array. So it starts from 102, 100 and 101, 2 bytes for register number. From 102 to 121 for the array because it takes 20 bytes. Then I'll just give the amount, say 10,000. 10,000. This will be the fees. That value I am going to store in the address of S1 dot fees. Say it starts from 122, 4 bytes, 23, 24 and 25. So that value will be stored here. Right? So I have scanned the values like this. Percentage D, percentage yes and percentage F. In the same order I need to give the values. The first value will go to the address of S1 dot register number. Second value will go to S1 dot name. I have given the array name because array will give the base address. Array name will give the base address. Then I say S1 dot fees, the last one. Address of S1 dot fees, which is 122. So like this the values will be stored. The next what I'll do, I'll try to print the values one by one with proper messages. I say in my output screen I'm going to get register number, print percentage D, that is in S1 dot register number. So I'm going to get 101. S1 dot register number. Then I say name. It is S1 dot name. S1 dot name. So it is yes. This is how we print the values. So we have printed the values. We have accepted the values. Now let us see how this program is going to work. So here we have the complete program to understand structure. So the structure definition. So here we have the structure definition. So register number, name and fees. So we have given the structure definition before the main. So we can treat that structure definition as global. So the variables of structure that what we create can be used anywhere in the whole program, in the sense in the main function as well as in the sub function. So this is the variable struct student yes1. So as soon as the variable gets created, the memory allocation will be done. So here we have the structure declaration struct student yes1. So as soon as the structure variable is created, memory will be allocated for the structure, members, register number, name and then fees. Now we are going to enter the values for this. So we are prompting a message, then we are scanning the values, then we are printing these values. So let us save this file and execute the file. So what's the output? So we have to accept the values now. So it is going to prompt a message, enter register number, name and fees. See, you get the message, enter register number, name and fees. I'll just enter say 101, say Yashoda 10,000. Press enter key. See, you got the output, register number, name and then fees. So hope you have understood with this complete structured program. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.